All right. I've already saved the two files to the computer, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I did. You got to add the directory of wherever you saved it. You have to add the directory. And so for mine, I saved mine under Documents, Wago Test. So I just select the folder, and in that folder it has the two files, the Excel spreadsheet and the Wago file. Now it shows up here. See where it shows up right there? ISEUL import. So double click on that, and you may or may not see this. Either way, just that already imported it. Click the back again, and here's where you want to associate this file that I've already done, so it's already cheating. But I want to list this under Wago test. That's the file. And I'm going to use this smartscript.ul, and I'm going to open that. I'm going to use sheet 1. And then here is where I select all the A, B's, and C's. The quantities, I just leave it blank. But all you do is click on that, and then you click on this. If it doesn't show, click on that, click on that. Skip first row because the first row has the titles on it. You don't want to print that, I don't think. And then you under your spreadsheet, you just enter in these values that you need to input. And then you do an import, and that's what the file looks like. If you want to edit this file, click back. Back again. And here's where you can just click edit template. And if you click on edit template, it gives you this. So now what you can do is you could move all these around, edit it. You can change the font up here just like you usually do. So in this regard, now you can have full whatever on it. And then when you're done importing that, what I do is I just go data, continue import, save the changes, and then create, just keep going. And now, so what you're doing now is just going, you just open it up, you went backwards that way, and now you're going that way.